Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be doing a review of my jiggly, clicky, glossy, kind of sticky slime, and it's in this container. It's a medium kind of slime. There's flowing beads in it, but you can hardly see it. It's actually I named the slime light brownie. It's supposed to be on here, but I did it with some whiteboard marker and it rubbed off. So yeah, just remember that the name of this is called white brownie. So I'm just gonna get like a book that we hardly use, like a hard book, so we can like lay the slime on it. So before we start this video, if you guys haven't already subscribed down below, please subscribe down below, like this video, comment down below as well, check the description box for more information, and yeah, so without further ado, let's get on into the video. So this is the container. It's light pink of the lid and like dark, like hot pink the container. This is, just remember the name of the slime is called light brown. It'll just be better for me if I go like this. So I'm just gonna open it. So here's some slime. It doesn't look like a brownie kind of texture. It did look like a brownie color, but then I put water in it because I wanted it to be jiggly, and the color lined up. As you can see, there's flow balls in it, flow beads or whatever. Oh my gosh, there's hair in it. Ooh, there's hair in it. Oh. Just in case my slime gets sticky, I'm just gonna have my borax activator here with me. So I actually got the slime yesterday, but I've been obsessed with it. So as you can see, flame beads, small ones. It's really nice and jiggly. Sorry if there's like black things in it. It's because I accidentally dropped it on the ground and I tried my best to clean it out. But that was when it was normal slime, not jiggly slime. For such a jiggly slime, it's actually really clicky. I feel like I want some ASMR, so I probably should do ASMR. Sorry guys if this ASMR is really bad, it's just that I'm recording with my tablet and it has a back camera, so I'm recording with one hand and the other hand to play off the slime. So I hope it's good for you guys, and yeah. My slime did get sticky overnight, so sorry if it's sticky, and yeah. thanks guys for watching. I hope you enjoy the ASMR and the review. I know the ASMR was really bad and very, very long. But I just hope you guys enjoyed as much as I did, and I hope that I'll be better with my videos next time. So please don't forget to subscribe down below. This is my first video ever, so I'm so excited to post it. If you guys don't know. So I'm so excited to post it, and please like. I would really appreciate that. Subscribe down below, comment down below, check the description box down below. And yeah, sorry for the bad lighting. It's like so bad. I wish I got like a camera with those lights and a tripod, but unfortunately I don't have them. So I'm just gonna put my slime back in the container. I know some of it failed and it went on my book. But I don't like wasting slime, so I'm just gonna leave it like that. Oh my gosh, everything's falling down from the bookshelf. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you do, please like, subscribe down below, comment down below, like I said before. And I love you guys so much. Bye.